Okay, my husband caught the little snake. Do you see it? Do you see that snake? That is what was over in that I ran into. That's him. And my husband's going, oh, little fella. No, little fella can go on. Say the universe is mine. Okay, something tells me that I am going to have to redo my carrots because I moved them around, and I think I moved them around a little too much. They are growing, and again, I apologize for my heavy breathing. I swear this isn't a, what do they call it?
Support from our audience is the greatest motivator. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Your patronage is greatly appreciated. Thank you.
I don't even know now. I know a long time ago, when I was a lot younger, people used to call and breathe heavy on the phone and wouldn't say nothing. This is not one of those. So, I don't know if you can see them. They're here. But some of them are, like, for some reason, these 3 cells have nothing in them. So I'm going to have to put some more soil in them and some more seedlings, because I have them. But all of the ones that are empty, like that one, this one, I'll come back and see. And because I've moved them, I don't even know which seedlings these are now, which carrot version they are. So I'm going to have mystery carrots because I don't know what they are. And like, for some reason, this whole row, with the exception of that one and here, and for some reason the carrot's way over here. I don't know what he think he was doing. Let's put you right here. And I'm gonna put some soil on you. But this is what they're looking like right now. Again, I may end up having to redo a lot of these, but my plan is to have 3 rows, just like I did in the other one, of carrots. Okay, so that's going to do it for today. I am tired. It is 11:44, and I only have one more bed that I need to get leveled and filled. So, thank you for joining me. If this is your first time or your 5th time visiting our channel or watching one of our videos, hit the subscribe button. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and hit the notification bell to be notified the next time we upload a video. And always remember, grow your own, eat your own. It takes a lot of work, but the reward outweighs the work, because not only are you providing for yourself and your family, but you're also getting to work out. You can't beat it, right? So, especially doing what I just did. And I've moved beds before. But anyway, I'm starting a whole nother conversation. Until the next video, take care. Bye.
Hit the like button, share the videos, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.